The Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, is a key player in the criminal justice system in England and Wales. It is responsible for deciding whether to prosecute criminal cases, and for conducting prosecutions in court. The CPS is supposed to act independently, without bias, and to deliver justice in every case. However, in recent years, the CPS has faced many challenges and criticisms that have undermined its effectiveness and reputation. The CPS has suffered from budget cuts, staff shortages, poor communication with the police and other agencies, and a lack of public confidence and trust. These problems have had a negative impact on the victims, witnesses, suspects, and the public trust in the justice system. One of the main impacts of the CPS's decisions is the backlog of cases in the Crown Court. The Crown Court deals with serious criminal offences, such as murder, rape, and robbery. Due to the pandemic, the number of cases waiting to be heard in the Crown Court has reached a record high of over 60. This means that many victims and witnesses have to wait for months or even years before they can get justice. This can cause them distress, anxiety, and trauma, and may deter them from reporting crimes or cooperating with the authorities. Some victims may also lose faith in the system and feel that their rights are not respected or protected. Another impact of the CPS's decisions is the quality and consistency of prosecutions. The CPS has to make sure that it prosecutes the right person for the right offense, and that it has enough evidence to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. However, due to the lack of resources and staff, the CPS may not be able to review cases thoroughly or prepare them properly for trial. This can lead to errors, delays, or failures in prosecutions. For example, some cases may be dropped at the last minute due to insufficient evidence or disclosure issues. This can harm the reputation of the CPS and undermine public confidence in its ability to deliver justice. It can also affect the suspects, who may have to endure prolonged uncertainty or injustice. A third impact of the CPS's decisions is the effect on the wider criminal justice system. The CPS works closely with other agencies, such as the police, courts, prisons, probation, and youth offending services. The decisions made by the CPS can influence how these agencies operate and cooperate with each other. For instance, if the CPS decides not to prosecute a case or reduces a charge, this can affect how the police allocate their resources or prioritize their investigations. If the CPS delays or fails a prosecution, this can affect how the courts manage their workload or sentence offenders. If the CPS does not provide adequate support or information to victims and witnesses, this can affect how they are treated by other services. All these factors can have a knock-on effect on the efficiency and effectiveness of the criminal justice system as a whole. In conclusion, the CPS plays a vital role in ensuring that justice is done and seen to be done in every case. However, due to various challenges and pressures, the CPS has made some decisions that have had a negative impact on victims, witnesses, suspects, and the public trust in the justice system. These impacts need to be addressed urgently by increasing funding for the CPS, improving its communication and collaboration with other agencies, and restoring its credibility and confidence among the public.